Hello, it's Pastor Center, your blue collar preacher. Welcome you back out to the little house on the bluffs. As you can see, we got the front door moved over and put in. Did some framing, some siding outside, and had to do some work on the backhoe. I miss having that thing, so I had to pull a hose on it, and I have to take it in and get a new hose before we can clean up and do some more dirt work around here. So I hope you enjoy this episode of Little House on the Bluffs. Okay, getting ready to move this door to this old door opening. Luckily, I don't know if they framed it in for a new door or what, but I'm gonna go to that mark there, slide these over so we can put our big 3.0 door in. And I'm gonna fix that with some treated lumber down there. I'm gonna cut it up and fix it and make it so the subfloor goes out like a typical old building. I mean new building, not old building. Keep getting the camera strap in the way. So I'm gonna tear these out. Tear all this off. This old barn wood, we'll save that for something, you never know. Probably full of billion nails, but put treated down there and then finish our subfloor framing to that so we can get the door in. Okay, we got our treated lumber in for our door here. Now we can take the rest of the plywood all the way out. We're going to take the plywood all the way out to the edge and set it in like new construction. I ran it as far as I could there, but the bottom piece goes from joist to joist. I notched it out so it's all flush now. It's 2x6 treated lumber, new face, new top. It's going to be a solid entry door, solid for our entry door. Okay, we like caulking the edge of where the door is going to go first. Block down here on the floor. Make sure you pull the nails that's holding the door shut out.